idea out of nowhere, and like I said, I'm gonna stop trying to make my YouTube like so like everything has to be perfect, professional, light setting, all of that. Of course I want to provide that experience, but also I want to just show you guys what I'm doing regularly. So I'm cleaning my depression room report. I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like because we're pretty much fall cleaning. Okay, so you first walk in and there's literally clothes everywhere. This is because I'm organizing my laundry, and then my thing that goes up there fell down. I don't know if you guys watched my last video, you can see how it kind of looked. Fell down. I'm watching McKenna, and then my bed, and then my plants, they were hanging like having a nice cute space like that, but that fell down. I actually started organizing this a little bit, and yeah, so this is what my room looks like. My closet might be one of the better spots, surprisingly. Stuff is still kind of like hung up, shoe racks at the bottom, and like this random stuff that I need to figure out a place to put it. And I know in this box I want to do a cute real idea hat, and then put all my purses up there and it actually look cute. This it's like a bigger bag that I'm just gonna have to put somewhere. Like, how's your room dirty but your closet kind of neat? Like, that's insane. But yeah, here's some more hangers because I literally have so many clothes to hang back up, as you guys can see here. We're just gonna clean, and happy fall. Okay, first thing first that I'm gonna do when I'm cleaning my room is put on a YouTube video that they're being just as productive as me. Of course, I like to clean my room and listen to music, but I guess sometimes I do just like the voice of someone else being there with me. Later in the video, you're going to see my friends come over because it's just so much easier when you're interacting with someone or listening to someone and also do stuff. I sometimes listen to podcasts too. That helps sometimes as well. And yeah, something that just kind of keeps my mind focused on something else other than the fact that I'm cleaning. I'm not lazy or anything. It's just like sometimes it's just hard to clean my room by myself. First thing I'm gonna do is clean the bathroom. It just makes so much sense in my head. And the bathroom is not really like stuff everywhere. It's just more like organizing and sanitizing. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna clean the bathroom. I'm gonna make sure it smells good. I'm gonna light a candle. And please, y'all, don't judge me when y'all see my tub, but it actually looked atrocious. Like, when I tell y'all I was busy, like no time to do anything, driving 2 hours to work, it was just bad. I just had to, live a more faster paced life. So now I'm going in and just deep cleaning everything in my bathroom. Because when your bathroom's clean, I'm sorry, you're just unstoppable. Don't tell me anything. Okay, and then I'm gonna do little things like water my plants, and then I wanted to show you guys some packages I got because I heard about this book on Book Talk, and then I've been hearing about all these little other stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna treat myself because I deserve it. And don't forget to treat yourself. Like, don't forget to do things that you like and things that make you feel good. Then after that, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna get my clothes tackled first. Y'all seen all those clothes I have on the ground. Like, clearly I can't do nothing else in my room until all these clothes are folded and put up, because most of my room, it's not dirty. There's no like garbage or anything in the ground. It's literally clothes everywhere. So yeah, I did the clothes first and I got a lot done. This is the first time I ever did my laundry and got my clothes put away the same day. I know, sickening. Yeah. But then I went and organized my closet even a little bit more. I fixed my shoe rack. I was organizing the top of my closet. I started taking clothes off that were summer and started putting more fall clothes in.
Peach color moon glistens the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble back to for them, and would you rather?
And then, yeah, I just put away the rest of my clothes the next day. As you guys can see, I'm in a different outfit. And then I organized the bottom of my desk because I usually have my books and my journals down there. Organized that. And then I went up and put my mosquito net up. And y'all, this thing keep falling down. Even as I do this, it fell down. So if you guys have any tips on how to put that up, let me know. Then I headed out to practice. And then, like I told y'all, this was going to be a multiple day thing because I'm very busy because I was just finishing up my last week of work and practice started.
Peach color skies reveal a sunrise until lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, let's. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be alone, baby. These moments.
Then I'm gonna just go in and vacuum everything because that's the final touches. Wipe down things that got a little messy over the time. And boom, everything's clean. Right in time for fall. Clear room, clear mind, and a little room tour. Of course, I have to show you guys because I should have showed you when I first moved in. But again, I was working. It was a lot harder. But yeah, here's my room and it's clean and I already feel better and I'm so glad to be back on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this. Hopefully you watch this video while you're cleaning and we can do this together. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.